Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first video lecture regarding natural numbers and integers. So first of all, we will try to understand how these integers came into existence. Now we know that in numbers, when a smaller whole number is separated from a larger one, for example, I will take two whole numbers 5 and 2. So simply I will subtract 2 from 5. The answer will be 3. So 5 is whole number, 2 is also a whole number, so I subtracted this 2 smaller whole number from the larger one, that's 5. So that will be equal to 5 minus 2, which will be equal to 3. Now this 5 is whole number, this 2 is also a whole number, so the result which we get by doing subtraction is 3, which is also a whole number. So whenever we subtract a smaller whole number from the larger one, we get the whole number back. The resultant is the whole number. So if the case is like this, if I subtract the larger one from the smaller one, that is 2 minus 5, what will be the answer? In simple words, larger whole number cannot be separated from the smaller one, so we can't get whole number back. What will be the answer of these questions? Whenever we subtract larger whole number from the smaller one, we will not get the whole number back. So to solve these questions, we introduced the new number system, the new set of numbers. That is, we have got 1. We know that we have got 1, which is a natural number, the first natural number. In correspond to this 1, we will introduce a new number, that is negative 1. Simply we have 2, we will introduce negative 2. We have 3, we will introduce opposite of it, negative 3. Similarly, we can introduce so many numbers correspond to natural numbers. For example, we have 1, we can introduce negative 1. We have 2, we can introduce negative 2. We have 3, we can introduce negative 3, and so on. 4, the opposite of 4 will be negative 4. If we have got 5, the opposite of it will be negative 5. So we will introduce these numbers negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 in such a manner that 1 plus negative 1 will be equal to 0. 1 plus negative 1 will be equal to 0, because negative 1 and 1 is 0. Similarly, 2 plus negative 2 will be equal to 0. 3 plus negative 3 will be equal to 0. So in this respect, we got a new set of numbers, that is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. Already we have 0 and natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. When we combine these three set of numbers, these three collections, when we combine these, we will get new collection, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Similarly, here will be -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. This new set, this new collection is said to be the set of integers. That is, set of integers consists of natural number 0 and the negatives of natural number, and it is denoted by the capital letter I or Z. That is, Z will be equal to this set, this one, and the 0. So we can say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are called positive integers. Positive integers. And these which are on the left side of 0 are called as negative integers. And the 0, it is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. So this will be our new collection, that is integers. So we can define integers as the collection of natural numbers including 0 and the negatives of natural numbers. Negatives means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and so on. So it was regarding the integers. Okay, thanks.